I'm so excited. Welcome all you wonderful beings on social media. As you know, I spend a lot of less time, meaning not very much on social media, because I'm spending a lot of time in introspection. You know, during these curious times, it's really important to literally continue, but not fade away. Or being lost. This is a time that it literally requires you to let go, surrender. What does that mean to most human beings? I must admit, from what I'm hearing and seeing, a lot of people are not willing to let go of their fears. Instead, they're building on their fears. They're getting more afraid of what if and should and would and could and oh my goodness. Wow. Whew. This is not a time to build your fears. It's a time to compost. It's a time to let go. It's about introspection. What is your biggest fear? So the yoga tip for today is to hold your fort, hold your ground, give yourself a foundation, root yourself, live your dreams, be in yourself, be in the world, but not of it in a sense. Take care. Live your dreams. Be real. Be honest. Don't blame everybody else because they triggered you or things aren't going your way. You don't have control of anyone outside of you. You have control of yourself. Navasana, boat pose, half ship. Creating a root, a foundation. Those that are feeling voluptuous and this is their ship pose, perhaps there's the shape that needs to be ship, meaning ship, not, the other word. So finding that place where you can feel your flexion, use your core, lift your heart, side body long. And again, if you need to release your feet and just find that structure first and then teeter back onto your root chakras, meaning your second chakra, your coccyx area, sacral energy. And some of you may be able to extend your arms and your legs. You may be able to take it in a longer variation of flexion, extension. So everyone's at their place or where they're meant to be. My yoga guidance for today is get into your roots. Get into your root chakras. Allow yourself to connect with Mother Earth, Mother Gaia, Mother Earth. Love yourself so that you can get out there in that big, bold, beautiful world and not be afraid. Don't be afraid of what everybody else is doing. Do you. If it looks like this today, even taking your hands back and lifting your chest up and maybe experimenting with legs or arms, half ship, Navasana. It's boat pose. I call it ship, but boat pose. Let's launch the ship. Let's be the most authentic you. Let go, surrender your fear. Don't build on your fear. Don't get all narcissistic again. This is a time of cleanse, of clearing. Trust, have faith in the greater power, universe, divine. I always go like this out the window. Universe has got your back. This is a time. You've got this opportunity to change for the greater good. You're not broken. You don't need to be fixed. You just need to be awake and aware that you are holding on to fear and you're living in a narcissistic, fearful way, perhaps. I'm not saying you are, I'm just saying perhaps, and that's why you're feeling like stuck. So unstick yourself, find your power, whatever that may look like, and you've got this. TeresaGagnon.com, online yoga for all recoveries. I am that other you, you are the other me, and that's why I have such compassion for those that are stuck, because I remember being stuck too. Let go. Let go of the grip. Let it go. Namaste, everybody.